spanning the globe to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information about three-rail trains. This is What's New in O-Gauge.
Yes, this is What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our three-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. See the video description for links to all the products mentioned in this episode. It's a long list this week, so let's get started. This week's episode is brought to you with limited commercial interruptions by our friends at Diecast Models Wholesale. With over 10,000 items in stock, Diecast Models Wholesale has the die-cast or plastic kit, car, truck, plane, tractor, or tank model you're looking for in a variety of scales and at competitive prices. Check out this Caterpillar D11 Fusion track-type tractor dozer with operator, Highline Series 150th die-cast model by Diecast Masters, or this Komatsu Excavator 150th scale die-cast model by DCP First Gear, or check their webpage for thousands of other products today. New on Amazon is Model Railroad Internet of Things projects using ESP32 and Raspberry Pi. This book provides a great way to learn about the use of Wi-Fi enabled microcontrollers by demonstrating several Internet of Things applications of the ESP32 devices on small model railroads. The authors show ways to connect them to sensors, turnouts, and transfer information to computers by using Wi-Fi technology. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. Kalmbach Publishing is now taking pre-orders for the new book, How Diesel and Electric Locomotives Work by Jeff Wilson. Diesel and electric locomotives are complex and they revolutionized railroading as we know it. How Diesel and Electric Locomotives Work is a complete guide to the inner workings of the locomotives powering railroads today. This book includes a brief history of the locomotive type and the development of the diesel engine, how electric locomotives work and their similarities to diesel units, and the major builders and their contributions to the art, plus hundreds of photos, charts, and mechanical illustrations describing the workings of locomotives. Order now for delivery in December 2023. Lionel Trains is marking the 175th anniversary of the beginning of the California Gold Rush with the Gold Mountain Lion Chief Bluetooth 5.0 set, available now at authorized Lionel retailers. A Lion Chief-equipped General Type 440 steamer meets a covered gondola, baggage, and passenger car in this neat set. Also included are Fast Track and a Lion Chief remote. The set carries a suggested retail price of $469.99. Menards has released two flat cars with military truckloads, a long flat car with two military trucks, and a short flat car with a single truck. The long cars retail for $39.99 each or $139.96 for a 4-pack before rebates, and the short car retails for $24.99 each or $84.96 for a 4-pack before rebates. Follow the link in the video description or find them at your local Menards store. As part of a new partnership agreement with Atlas O, MTH Electric Trains will be releasing a 2024 O-Scale Premier GS4 Northern steam locomotive in 4 different liveries next spring, with a selection of matching Southern Pacific Streamlined passenger cars also released next spring. Each of these offerings will be available in limited quantities and is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in April 2024. The locomotives have a suggested retail price of $1499.95 each. Matching 4-car streamlined smooth-side passenger cars will also be available for $475.95 per set. Additional passenger cars will also be available. For more information about the new partnership with Atlas O, click on the link in the top right of the video. For more information about these MTH GS4s and passenger cars, see the link in the video description. MTH Electric Trains has announced their uncatalogued Rail King O-Scale C628 diesel locomotive in Alco demonstrator livery is now in stock exclusively at MTH retailers Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotive is now available in 4 cab numbers in very limited quantities. The retail price is $389.99 plus freight. MTH Electric Trains has released a selection of Rail King O-Scale roadside stand buildings in 4 popular paint schemes. Each building in these unique paint schemes come fully assembled and ready to place on your O-Scale layout. All are now in stock and can be ordered from any MTH authorized dealer with a suggested retail price of $59.95 each. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale F7 diesel locomotive in Reading and Northern livery, for MTH retailer Patrick Strains of Wheeling, West Virginia. The locomotive will be available in powered A and non-powered B unit configurations in prototypical cab numbers. All models will be available in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of February 2024. The early order prices are $499.99 plus freight for powered A units and $299.99 plus freight for unpowered B units. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Scale RS3 diesel locomotive in unique Detroit and Mackinac livery for exclusive distribution by Public Delivery Track. The locomotives will be available in 2 cab numbers and produced in limited production. They are available for order with anticipated arrival date of February 2024. The early order price is $379.95 plus freight. MTH has also announced an uncatalogued production of the premier O-Scale Clinchfield 34-foot composite hopper car for exclusive distribution by Mr. Muffin's Trains in Atlanta, Indiana. Both the single and 6-car sets will be produced in very limited quantities with an anticipated arrival date of November 2023. The early order price is $67.95 plus freight for individual cars or $379.95 plus freight for the 6-pack. Pepperbox Press has released the Illustrated Directory of North American Locomotives, the story and progression of railroads from the early days to the electric-powered present. This book charts the progress of motive power on America's railroads from 1830 until the present. Technical specifications are given for each engine type, and the book is fully illustrated with both black and white and color photos. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. Tantor Audio has released The Great Railroad Revolution, the history of trains in America, in audio, digital, and print formats. In The Great Railroad Revolution, author Christian Wolmar tells the extraordinary story of the rise and fall of the greatest of all American endeavors, and argues that the time has come for America to reclaim and celebrate its oft-overlooked rail heritage. See the link in the video description for pricing and availability. And last but not least, check out this great assortment of Lionel and other railroad-themed signs and wall art from Amazon. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can get the product you want while supporting your favorite YouTube channel. And don't forget, our latest long-form video will go live at 2 p.m. Eastern Time on Saturday. What will the topic be this week? Watch and find out. Until then, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.